Guess what lift finally unlocked? The lift. The lift that goes from, I forgot what it's called, but it's lift number P14 at Queen's Wharf. That's finally open. Oh, it goes up to Queen's Wharf Residences, that's what it's called. The entrance to Queen's Wharf Residences. So, not very interesting. Has centre opening doors. 2-speed or 4-speed. I don't know what you call it that. This thing's been locked for so long. Level 1's locked still. I know it's down there. That door's locked very fast compared to the other one. Oh, this is free. I'm stupid. 2,000 kilograms, 25 persons. Still 2023. Ordered 2021. Good chime. There you go.